Welcome to Vertistips, and today I'm going to be showing you how to lower your blood pressure naturally using something as simple as cocoa powder that you can find in most grocery stores. And this is not any cocoa powder. You want the dark chocolate cocoa powder that you will find in your baking section. This has been known for years to reduce blood pressure. So I have tried it, and it really truly does work, and it works instantly. Now you can use this with milk or without milk. You can use it with sugar or without sugar. But if you were to place a cup of cocoa, hot cocoa, rather than coffee, you will see that there will be a big and a dramatic change in your blood pressure. So all you do is you just use 1 tablespoonful of cocoa powder, hot water, and here I'm just going to use the hot water. I'm not adding any sugar or I'm not adding any milk to mine. And you stir it and you drink it with your meals or without your meals. I have done it both ways, and both ways have been effective for me. So again, if you are looking for a natural way to lower your blood pressure without medication, cocoa powder is something I think you all should try. I will be 70 years old on my next birthday. So far, I have perfect blood pressure. I have perfect glucose, and most of my body chemistry is perfect. I owe it all to the fact that I am on a path of increasing the odds of living to 100 and still being healthy. So look for my next video. It will be out soon, and that will be on giving you tips on how to lower your glucose by using a relish that I make with bitter melon. And now I'm going to take my blood pressure as I do every day. I want to show you that my pressure is good, and I owe it all to the cocoa powder.